Got all the little ones out here. The Nature Rangers Part 2 to be continued. Remember last time we saved the turtle, y'all. So we're down here at the Eno, and we about to go into nature with the babies. Alright? That's what we do. Let's get it. Right, I'm in the front. Hold hands.
Watch out for animals.
I'm going to stay in the front.
We'll be down there, so you guys be careful.
Yeah, be careful with that.
Be careful for that one. Yeah, there's lights down there.
Going into nature, y'all.
It's okay.
That's what we do. Alright. It's kind of high grass a little bit, though. Be careful.
Careful.
I'm pretty sure people be coming back here fishing, though. Right?
None of us following.
Y'all be careful, yeah. We gotta wait for everybody else. Come on, y'all.
Asher, just run past
Coming down the trail.
Asher, just run.
They got it. TTG. They trained to go. We got this, man.
Pass it.
All right.
However, don't you see it? Oh, yes. I can't believe I knew this was here. Well, Dad, you better not.
This is where the turtle was at, over here somewhere.
Turtle's that.
Be careful.
Turtle. We named it. DJ.
The
Daddy,
turtle
Sunray used to be in these
long
woods.
gone. Huh?
He used to be in
Be
these
careful.
woods.
Don't get too close to the
We
edge.
named the turtle DJ. No, y'all named
DJ. That's his name?
Yeah.
Y'all know how far that river go?
Girl and a boy.
That river go all the way to the Atlantic Ocean.
For real?
Yeah. It's a part of the Noosa River, I believe. Y'all don't get too close. That's close enough right there.
We're going to
That's close enough, Destiny.
Because you're going to fall. This is our island.
That's close enough right there.
No, because I'm not going to fall in there.
Come here. Come on, y'all.
We can go fishing.
Let's go. Let's go around a little bit. Let's go around this way. Yeah, what you see? Yeah? Be careful. You got it?
Dad, if I fall in that river.
Daddy not going to let you fall in the river, son. That's why you don't get too close. You don't get too close. Y'all be good. Come on. Oh, yeah, the river is dope, though. Shit go all the way to the Atlantic Ocean.
Look what I found. I found something. Let's look for things.
All the way to the Atlantic.
Look what I found.